Two mayors are this evening raising alarm about the rapid increase in COVID-19 cases in St. Catherine. Among other things, the mayors have taken issue with what they describe as inadequate testing in the parish, but the health minister has shot back, calling the arguments flawed. Andrew Lately has that story.
The mayors say they are worried about the health of the citizens. They argue that the government's response to curtail the coronavirus spread in St. Catherine is weak. For starters, Spanish Town's Mayor Norman Scott believes the number of tests being done is inadequate.
The testing need to be expanded and expanded widely. It is too concentrated in just Spanish Town, Linstead, Old Harbour and Portmore. The number of the individuals who were contact traced could not be found and are now turning up testing positive.
He's also blaming the government for not having enough testing centers, which he claims is adding to the problem.
We are also told that challenges as it relates to space for the centers, and we are saying that ought not to be. Rent tents, rent chairs, and make it available for these areas to be used as testing centers.
Health Minister Dr. Christopher Tufton has dismissed the claims, pointing out that Mr. Scott's position is flawed.
There isn't a direct correlation between number of cases and testing sites. The truth is that we have testing or sample collection sites across the parish, the number of health centers. We have a mobile unit, and all of those sites work. Persons can go and get tested in the hospital, Spanish Town Hospital. All of those sites work. So we have sites and we have the equipment to test.
Over in Portmore, Mayor Leon Thomas is also critical of the government's response. At the center of his complaint is the issue of staffing and logistics. Specifically, he claims that only one bus is available to service the densely populated Portmore area. In response, Mr. Tufton had this to say.
We don't depend just on one vehicle to carry samples in. And even so, again, the increase in numbers is not as a result of whether we have one vehicle or two. It's a result of persons not observing the protocol. And once they become symptomatic, they spread the virus.
The health minister has suggested a round-the-table meeting to clarify the claims and address all other concerns the mayors may have. Andrew Lately, TVJ News.